What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of these wines made from Chardonnay in the Burgundy wine region of France, not actually very far from the village of Chablis, in a small area surrounding the village that is called Tonnerre. So this is a regional appellation, but that is made from quite a small area in Burgundy. Pretty good, affordable Chardonnay wines from Burgundy that are called, the appellation is called Bourgogne Tonnerre. Bourgogne Tonnerre for the typical French pronunciation. I know it's pretty hard because of the French R, but Bourgogne Tonnerre. It'd be fine to say Bourgogne Tonnerre. Bourgogne Tonnerre. Bourgogne Tonnerre. Bourgogne Tonnerre. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.